Hi, thanks for stopping in. I wanted to take a moment to show you how to use Canva at the very foundational level. So say you want to create a Facebook post or a reel or a TikTok. All you do is you start out, you go to canva.com, or you can click the link in the details for this video. I have a special promotional link for you, and you can sign up for Canva. And once you're all signed up, you go ahead and click this create a design link, and it will give you all kinds of different options, and you just search in here what you want. So you might put, a Facebook, say Facebook, and it gives you ad copy, it gives you, templates. These are all templates. It gives you an app ad, a cover. I use this application almost daily to help people with their covers. You can do LinkedIn covers, Twitter covers, all sorts of different types of covers. And then you have a Facebook post. You can make your own profile frames. You can make shops. You can do an ad for shops, a cover for shops, and you can create a Facebook story. Facebook stories in Canva are great. They're super fun to create. Right now, I'll just show you how to make a Facebook post. So we're going to click on Facebook post, and you'll notice over here on the left-hand navigation pane when it loads, I've got so many tabs up, sorry. I'll make sure on the next video it's only just this one interface. So you'll notice, I'll show you something super easy. The last Facebook post I made for an affiliate program that I just started with Fiverr was I used this one. And you just click on it. You see though, there are a ton of other different kind of posts that you can create. There's everything from Mother's Day, Halloween, and you just click on the see all and it'll give you all of the templates. Now I have the pro version, and my affiliate link will allow you 45 days to sample the pro version, and then you just decide if you want to continue with the pro version or use the free version. There is a free version. So in here, you'll notice I was using this. If you follow me on Facebook, I was using this template for my Fiverr affiliate. I'm trying to attract Fiverr sellers so I can apply their affiliate link to my website, to my Pinterest, and I use Canva to create the graphics for these. So you just click on the interface for the font here. Oh yeah, and you can change your fonts. Just click on this guy, this where it's Object Sans Bold, and it gives you, they have every font pretty much that you could possibly want or imagine. So I use Railway. There's a few other fonts I use a lot. So for this, we'll use my favorite font, and you just, like I believe I used this font for my Fiverr ad, and then I can come in here and there we go. So I'm just giving them a call to action, and then I said exposure, free exposure. And then you can, the best part is you can make this as large or as small as needed, and you can move it around. And same with this, and you can make the fonts large or small, and you can move them around. You can make them different colors. So say I wanted it purple, I could do this too on the orange star. Come up here, make it purple or gray. I like the orange is good, so in that case I would make this more of a gray or a white. White shows up better on these darker colors. So there you have it. And then this, say I didn't want this piece, right? The colors are fine. But say I wanted to change that computer, I could come up here to elements, and I can use my elements to find something different. So let's see what it gives me for Fiverr, if anything. It gives me these for Fiverr, and I can go into photos, I can go into graphics, I can see if there's any videos, and no audio. I'm not going to worry about that. So in this case, I want to do who do I want? I want copywriters. So I can change this, I can delete that, and I can put this girl in here. And she's actually, I can move her by right clicking and hit send back. That was wrong. I just want to go backward is what I want. So right click and go backward. There you go. And I can use this. And this got messed up. See, I noticed I had that, and I'm going to say free exposure. And I can make this larger or smaller. In some cases, you do not have that opportunity, but in this case, I do. And I can make it a video, or what's great about this is when I go to where it says share, I'm going to download. This will come out as a video, but I don't really want it to be a video. So I'm going to make it a PNG, which allows me some different options when I load it to Facebook or my website or my YouTube video as a thumbnail, however. And you can make YouTube thumbnails in here as well. And so if I wanted the background to be transparent, I would just say hit the transparencies. If I want to change the color of this space, I use these little markers, and each marker, right? And you can always hit undo. And maybe this green one, I want to be that color green instead, or I want it to be orange. You know, that's kind of cool too. That looks all right if I wanted to do that. And I hit that twice. So I am going to download this as a PNG. I can make it a PDF and SAV, so like a vector file. I can make it, right now we're just going to do download, and this thing is set up. Oh, okay, it's going to come up this way. So this was just an example graphic. And there you have it. I'm going to save, and it comes right down here, and you can right click in your desktop or in your downloads, and you can right click and click show in file, and it will bring it up in the file. The way I have my monitors set up right now is it's probably out in the office, so I would have to show you that later, but it shows you, it pulls up the file where it was saved, and it shows you where it's at. So that's it for now. Super easy little tutorial here to get you started with Canva. Look in the description of this video and you'll see my promo link. Have a great day.